Hello viewers, this is Professor Ayaz Sheikh, Assistant Professor in CSE Department, Nagpur Institute of Technology, Nagpur. Today I am going to teach you a new topic, that is a job scheduling from operating system. Okay, see here, what do you mean by job scheduling? In job scheduling, deciding which process will own the CPU first for its execution. It's a process of deciding which process will own the CPU first for its execution is called a job scheduling. Okay, to allocating a CPU to a different processes or allocating a CPU to a particular process, for this thing we having the different methods. Okay, we having the different methods which are called the job scheduling algorithms. Job scheduling algorithms. There are the different types of job scheduling algorithm. First one is the FCFS. Second one, shortest job first. Third one, round robin. Fourth one, priority based job scheduling. Job scheduling. Okay. Basically, job scheduling divided into two categories: non-preemptive and preemptive. In non-preemptive, once any particular process started its execution, we will not abort it in between the execution. It's a non-preemptive. It means that once process started its execution, we will continue it till the end of completion. It's a non-preemptive job scheduling. In preemptive job scheduling, basically we can abort the process in between the execution. It depends on the different types of algorithms. So FCFS comes under the non-preemptive job scheduling, and HJF round robin comes under the preemptive job scheduling process. Okay, so we will see first one, that is the FCFS job scheduling. In FCFS, we will allocate the CPU to a process which will come first into the ready queue. Okay, so to perform the calculation, we will see a numerical on the FCFS. We already have given three things in our question, that is a process ID, process arrival time, process burst time. Arrival time is a time at which process come into the ready queue, and burst time is a time required to complete the execution for a particular process. Okay, so we have given here three processes: process P1, process P2 and process P3. All processes having their arrival time. So P1 having the arrival time 0 millisecond, P2 having 1 and P3 having 2 millisecond. These all processes also having their burst time. So process P1 having burst time 2 millisecond, P2 having 3 millisecond and P3 having 4 millisecond burst time. Okay, now we will schedule these processes. To schedule these processes, we are having two things. One is a ready queue. Ready queue shows the processes waiting in the ready queue or coming into the ready queue for its execution. Okay, so this is a ready queue. Ready queue shows the processes waiting in the ready queue for its execution. Second thing which we will take, that is a Gantt chart. That is a Gantt chart. Gantt chart shows the execution of processes on CPU. Okay, we are following the first job scheduling algorithm, that is the FCFS, in which we will see which process coming first into the ready queue. So that process we will execute first in the FCFS algorithm. So we can see here process P1 comes at 0 millisecond into the ready queue. Okay, so process P1 comes into the 0 millisecond in the ready queue. So first we will execute it on Gantt chart. Process P1 get started from 0 millisecond and it having the burst time, that is the 2 millisecond. So from 0 to 2 millisecond it will get executed. In between this time span 0 to 2 millisecond, there are two processes which are process P2 and process P3 comes into the ready queue. Process P2 comes at the 1 millisecond and process P3 comes at the 2 millisecond into the ready queue. So on second time process P2 came into the ready queue. So we will execute it on second number. So process P2 get executed from 2 millisecond to the up to the 2 plus 3 5 millisecond. Process P2 get completed at the 5 millisecond. Okay. After that process P3 started its execution from 5 millisecond and it had the burst time 4 millisecond. So it get completed 5 plus 4, it means 9 millisecond. At 9 millisecond our process will be get executed. Okay. Now we have to calculate three different things. First one is the completion time. Completion time is a time at which process get executed completely. Right? First we calculate the completion time. After that we will calculate the turnaround time. Turnaround time is the time required by the process from its arrival to its completion. Okay. After that, we will calculate the waiting time. Waiting time is a time spent by a process into the ready queue from its arrival to the first time getting the CPU. Okay, it's a waiting time. Okay. So to calculate the turnaround time, we have in the formula completion time minus arrival time. This all things we will calculate one by one. First we will write the completion time. So we have to write the completion time from the Gantt chart. See here the completion time of P1 is get started at the 0 millisecond and completed at 2 millisecond. So completion time of P1 is 2 millisecond. We will write here 2. Okay. So completion time of P2 is 5 millisecond. So we will write here 5. Completion time of P3 is 9. We will write here 9. After that we will calculate the turnaround time. To calculate the turnaround time, we have in the formula completion time minus arrival time. So the completion time of P1 is 2. And arrival time of P1 is 0. So 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we will calculate the turnaround time of P2. Same thing. Completion time of P2 is 5 and arrival time of P2 is 1. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Now we will calculate the turnaround time of process P3. The completion time of process P3 is 9. 9 minus arrival time of P3 is 2. It will be the 7. Now we will calculate the waiting time. To calculate the waiting time, we are having a formula: turnaround time minus bus time. We have already calculated turnaround time and we have given bus time in this problem. Okay. So first of all, we will calculate the waiting time of process P1. Okay. To calculate the waiting time of process P1, we will take the turnaround time of P1, that is 2, and bus time of P1, that is also 2. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. It means that process P1 comes into the ready queue at 0 millisecond and it gets the CPU at 0 millisecond. It means that it didn't wait in ready queue for long time. Okay. Now we will calculate the waiting time of P2. So turnaround time of P2 is 4 and bus time of P2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Waiting time of P2 is 1. Now we will calculate the waiting time of P3. So bus time of P3 is 7 minus, turnaround time of P3 is 7 minus bus time of P3 is 4. It will be the 3. Okay. Now we will calculate average turnaround time and average waiting time. See here, we will calculate here average turnaround time is equals to, we will take the average of this 3, 2 plus 4 plus 7 by 3. It will be the 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 divided by 3. It will be 4.2 something. This is the average turnaround time. Okay. Now we will calculate average waiting time. To calculate the average waiting time, we will take the average of this all processes. Average time of waiting time of P1 is 0, waiting time of P2 is 1, and waiting time of P3 is 3. Divided by all processes, number of processes, so 3. It will be 4 by 3. And final answer will be 1.3 something. This is the average waiting time. Hope get clear to all of you. If you don't getting any point, so rewatch the video and you can clear your points. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys.